Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today I have the Grove Collaborative. Do you Grove? I certainly do. And today I got my box and it's really big. It's a lot bigger than what I ordered. So I'm thinking they might have had a boo-boo or an incident with my box because it's huge. I'm going to try to show it to you. But it's not their regular box. It's like it's been repackaged. So we're going to go in here and see what happened. But Grove Collaborative is a monthly subscription that you can choose what you want. And it's household items, cleaning items, makeup. Well, I don't know if it's makeup, skincare. Skincare, baby care, dog care, cleaning your floors, your bathrooms, kitchen, all kinds of cleansing products, and that's what I basically use. And I use my laundry detergent and what have you. And I am a VIP. I pay $19.95 or $19.99 a year. I get free shipping each time I ship. Even if I decide to double up on shipping, I would still get free shipping anytime I ordered, as long as it's over $29. And that's easy to do. And that's easy to do nowadays, and especially with cleaning products and things like that. So in this box, I've got a few freebies. I don't even know if they're going to be intact. Let's open it up and see what we have. Now, after I get the big box open, oh my goodness. Yeah, it's all disheveled and just thrown in. Oh my goodness. So this is probably the worst packing I've ever seen. The first thing I'm pulling out is the Mrs. Meyer's Probiotic Daily Shower Spray. This here I got free. If you ordered over $35 worth of product, you get a free product if you ship that day. And that's what they were featuring. And so I can't wait to try this out. Let me see what it smells like. Well, can't get the lid off. It says it's 7-day cleaning power. Removes soap scum, cleans mold and mildew. It's got a lemon verbena scent. It's aroma therapeutic. So I can't wait to try that out. I bet it's going to smell really good. Right now I've been using the Method. They have a Method self-cleansing shower spray, and that works pretty good. The next item I'm pulling out of here is for the bathroom, and I love this. This is the Method Anti-Bac Toilet. This works really good, and it has a nice, clean spearmint scent is what it says there, and it smells fresh, and I really like that. So that's a winner for me. The next item I'm pulling out of here is I needed some more dish soap, so I ordered the Clean Ooey Dishes, and I got the Apple and Pear Blossom. Ooh, it smells good. It smells what I thought it would smell like. And it did kind of dribble a little bit. But there's not much missing in there, so I'm not worried about that. But I can't wait to use that. And I have one of their glass dispensers. And so whenever that empties out, I'll just pour that one in. Oh. Well, now we did have a boo-boo. I've got an empty bottle of all-purpose pest remedy. Yep. There was definitely an accident. I bet you this was repackaged by somebody else. Wow. Well, let's see what else is in here. I've got my dish soap, and I do like the mint scent, so I'm going to smell it because I like it. And it's kind of sealed, but I can still smell it through there. This is one of my favorite. I like spearmint too, and peppermint. I like it when they have peppermint. This here is for ants and bugs, and it works pretty good. Every once in a while we get some of those critters in the house, and I want something kind of natural to get rid of them. Of course, I want it to come intact and not be empty, but other than that, it's a pretty good product. I ordered some Method dryer sheets, and it's got 80 sheets. It is beach sage, and I use their Method laundry and Method fabric softener. So now I've got the dryer sheets. I just recently got dryer balls from FAFITFUN, so I may try those out. And I guess somebody stole one of my bottles of disinfectant. I guess they figured I didn't need 2 of them, but I had ordered 2 of these and I only have 1. I did order 2 replacements for my bottles that I use for my floor, and the one that I have Clorox in. It's a Clorox mix that I use for sanitizing the puppy's pans and stuff like that when I'm washing. And then here's the dispenser for the empty bottle here. It completely came off. This order has problems. And I had ordered several free things, so there's only one that showed up, so there's some other stuff missing. This is Shameless Pets Bananas for Bacon, and it's a nice little treat, and it was free, and I thought I'd try it out for my dogs. Now, the one thing that I was to get free because of being a VIP, once a quarter you get to choose your gift. And I chose this, and it is a soap dispenser. You put water in there, you put your soap in there, like some of this mint, and then you put some water in there, and then you have your little scrubber, and you can just bounce it on there and scrub your pans and your plates. And I really like this. I've already got one, but I thought I'd get another. You never know, it may end up in a future giveaway since I have one. But since I could choose my gift, I decided to get something that I like, and it's called Bubble Up. That was my free item. I am going to call them about an empty bottle of this. I'm going to call them because I ordered 2 and paid for 2. And I love this stuff. It kills and disinfects 99.99%. It's a no rinse formula, and it does a good job, and I really like it. It's an air refreshener, but I also use it to spray around on things just to disinfect. And it's eucalyptus and spearmint, so it's really kind of natural, and that's really nice. So that, guys, is my disheveled Grove package that obviously got busted into, I think, and I think it was repackaged because it didn't come in the regular size Grove box. It didn't come with the Grove message on there. They usually say hi Vicky on there and give me some kind of pep talk. That wasn't on there, so it was definitely different. But that is what I have, and of course, if you're going to say favorite items, of course I'm going to like my gift. My little Bubble Up gift, I really like that, and I like it all. That's why I bought it. So it works really well. But as for today, that's all I have. Be sure and check my description to see if there are any giveaways that are currently going on, which I believe there is, with some collaborations and a battle. And I guess that's about it. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.